All right, boys and girls, hey there. It is day 3 of December, Daily Math. Here we go. Day 3, number 1. 3 equals 24 divided by something. And Taco says, or let's think 3 times something equals 24. Very important to know that that equal sign can be on either side. You know, wherever it is, both sides have to be the same, right? So 24 on this side, 3 times what equals 24? Well, 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 threes. Okay? It's kind of a way to think of that, I guess, right? Here we go. This is half of the shape. Draw the rest to show the whole. I always think of this as back in my kindergarten teaching days. Let's see, about here, yeah. This here was the yellow, right? That was the yellow pattern block. Or 2 reds made 1 yellow, right? The 2 reds, each one was a trapezoid, and put them together and they make the yellow hexagon. All right, write these numbers up the stairs from least to greatest. Oh boy, they all start with a 9. So they're all in the 900s. We know that one right away. Now we have 14 and 12. We have 04 and 40. Whoops, there we go. So the very smallest number is 4. So the least is 904. Okay? The greatest is 940 because I look at the 10s and the 1s column together, and 40 is larger than 4, 40 is larger than 12, and 40 is larger than 14. Now I'm down to these 2 numbers, 914, 912. Well, 912 is just slightly smaller than 914. Okay, use less than, greater than, or equal to. So 8 divided by 2, that equals 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, 8, if you cut it in half, it's 4. 20 divided into 5 equal pieces is, excuse me, 20 divided into 5 equal groups is 4. Hey, 4, that's the same thing, right? So it's not less than, it's not greater than, this one is equal to. Okay, number 5. Sarah put 15 gumdrops on the roof of her gingerbread house. How many gumdrops will she need to make 3 more houses exactly like this one? So if we need 15 gumdrops for one, and there's 15 for that one, and 15 for that one. So it says 3 more houses. So that'd be a total of 4, right? So how many total? So we have 15 and 15 is 30. We go 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 60 gumdrops total. Now, I think this is kind of a tricky question because she already put 15 gumdrops on the roof of her gingerbread house. How many gumdrops will she need to make 3 more houses? So this is the one that she's already used, right? So 15 plus 15 is 30 plus 15 is 45. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was a little tricky. Almost caught me, right? Did it get ya? Nope. All right. Excellent. We will see you tomorrow, boys and girls. Great job.